Did you know that a sneeze can blast out of your facial cavities at 100 miles an hour? Your nose is basically a biological leaf blower. And just to make this a little bit more gross, it's not just speed. A sneeze launches tens of thousands of tiny droplets into the air. Some scientists even describe it as a fluid cloud, which doesn't sound very scientific but is strangely accurate. Have you ever heard somebody sneeze and then your fight or flight kicks in? Some people predict that's because sneezes signal a biological defense against potential pathogens and diseases. So you should be scared. If you found this video interesting, be sure to follow me for more fun facts.